You know why I call you out? You know if I'm about court?
I know very well. I know very well.
Court, objection overruled. When I'm watching you since you have been watching me and smiling. Yes. You're watching me as well. I say, this man is a lawyer man.
I decided to come and see you. I decided today to come and see you.
You decided to come and see me?
Because I've been watching you on internet space.
And you love me.
Very well.
You come down from?
Not from Asaba.
Oh my God. You say you come down and see me.
To come and see you.
You are a barrister.
I am.
You are a lawyer.
I am.
Eje Mungata. Oh my God. The Lord wants you to come so that I can be your spiritual mentor. Because there's a lot of challenges that I need to face with you.
Exactly.
Because you're a wonderful man. But there's a lot of attacks. And Jesus has come. I'm happy to see you here. You know, lawyer. This is your learned colleague. Onya akwa lawyer.
Okay.
Barrister Ibam Asumi Ibama. I'm not going to answer the barrister Ibama. You couldn't say no one as in the barrister.
Now that he knows that I'm a lawyer, I'm his senior.
Okay, you are his senior.
And when he wants to greet me, he was call me senior.
Senior.
How are you?
My learned senior.
My learned senior. I join the corner. I've joined this place.
You look at even lawyer in equity.
No, you are not a lawyer yet because you will not be called.
Okay, I cannot be.
You can be our friend, but not our learned friend.
Okay, not our learned friend.
Because we are educated.
Okay, follow. Okay, from there. I told you, you can never join these people if you are not one of them.
You are educated but not learned.
Hey, Osuna, if you go, you are educated but you are not learned. Can't before math. I told you, all these lawyers, these people, if you can never be in their midst if you are not a lawyer. Because their grammar will chase you out. Before two of them will begin to release all the section 10 and section 2. You that are not one of them, nobody will tell you, let me come on, continue on. Because you will dismiss yourself by yourself. Because their discussion and their discussion cannot be together. Because all your discussion is only people, they will faga objection overload. The charge and the hotel. Under section what?
Objection sustained.
Objection sustained.
Objection sustained.
Not only overruled, it can be sustained.
It can be sustained, not only overruled.
Yes.
It ought to before this year now go, Mabu one of you people.
Too short.
You are welcome.
All the too short, that's in our welcome.
If you can come in, you are welcome.
Later.
At the end of the day, later.
Because on the matonga kare. I'm telling you, being a lawyer is something that gives you an energy. Whenever you wear that suit and wear that collar, when you are moving, your mindset and your spiritual set will be different.
Okay. That knowledge and this thing, all the going abroad.
What you going abroad?
As a lawyer, you are first class citizen.
You
As a lawyer, you are first class citizen.
Bam.
It's automatic.
It's automatic.
Yes.
I told you. It's good for these people. I'm telling you why I say it's better you are a lawyer and also a doctor than to go and lead a library school. All these subjects that is not taking you anywhere. Look at the way it say, because you are a lawyer, you are a what?
A first class citizen.
Bam.
It's automatic.
It's automatic. Bam. Because you are a lawyer, you are a first class citizen, and it's automatic. Automatic, I can never. I don't like if I 2 gear. I don't like automatic. My automatic, I don't 2 gear. Oh, it's in one year, you're welcome. You're welcome.